Hi Greg, it's Kelly. I thought that maybe it would be easier if I just record a screencast for you as I go through your course. That's what I'm going to do. The first thing that I see here is that the grading criteria item has .pdf at the end of the title, and so we want to avoid using any of these file extensions in the link title name. So I'm just going to come down here and go to the link title and delete PDF from this. And then click submit. So you'll want to make sure that you do that in the next course that you're working on. When I come here to Unit 1, it looks like things are actually looking pretty good. The only thing is this strange text in here, and this should actually have a general line of text about these resources. And so I'm going to edit this, and I'm going to just I'm going to go into this HTML mode and delete whatever that weird coding is that's out of there. And this is the line of text. Click on the attached files to access resources designed to supplement your learning for this unit. And then if you want to add anything about the resources that are attached, all you would do here is click enter and then the bullet button, and it looks like you've done that, and then you would say fedstats.gov, and if there's something you want to tell students about that particular site, you can. Otherwise, this is totally fine without anything too, so I'll let you take care of editing that, but it's just really important that we have this line of text in each of the additional learning resources items, and for some reason it looks like it had got goofed up in your unit 1, so I'm going to click submit, so that's fixed. Okay, here in Unit 2, it looks like maybe you went through and fixed these discussion items. I don't remember doing it in all the units, and I said that I would take care of it, but if you did it, that was really nice. I feel like this was my fault that you made this mistake. Basically, the unit discussion item that's within the unit folders can just stay as it is, the way that it is in your master course, the way it was when you got it, because we're only putting the discussion board topics over here in the discussion area. So when students click on this link, it should take them to the main discussion page. And I think that was one thing that also may have been, I noticed had gotten adjusted, and if it's still adjusted wrong, I will fix it. Yeah, see how this is going directly to the Unit 2 discussion? I actually had these set up in the master courses to go directly to the main discussion page, since it told students use this link to access the discussion area once they scroll to the Unit 2 discussion. So I'm just going to make this quick edit, and the name can stay the same. I just want to browse to a location to be just, oops, these windows disappear on me sometimes, to just the main course discussion page, and see how that is just the / discussion now. And we'll click submit, and I'll go through the rest of your units and make that fix, so you don't need to do that. I just wanted to clarify that for you for your next class. And then notice here that this additional resources is missing that line of text about these resources, so I'll paste that in here just like I did in Unit 1. Otherwise, things are looking pretty good. I want to go over to the discussion area now and talk about how to save the discussions as reusable objects. So what you want to do here is as you're creating these discussion topics, which you've done, which is good, I'm going to come into one of these and click edit. And then you want to be saving these as reusable objects, and it looks like this one is now saved in the correct spot. Notice that it says library business MK225, and it looks like there's another folder actually of MK225. So that should be all set. For some reason I thought there was an error here. Notice that there's no grading here, and maybe that's the way it is in the current master, but you might just want to double check that and put in points possible if we need them. I'm just going to take a quick peek at a couple of these other ones and see if everything has been saved into the right location. The default, when you click Save Reusable Object, here's the default. This is what the problem is going to be. When you click Save as Reusable Object, the default is to save it just like in this course, MK225 Master. We want to be saving these things in the content collection. So to do that, you want to click Browse and navigate to your course folder in the library. So to do that, you click Organization Content, and then Library Content, and then find the folder for the program. In this case, you're working on business, and this course is MK225. So I'm going to click on that, and I want to click Select Current Directory so that all of these discussions are being saved in this folder, in the business folder, in the library. Okay, and then I'm going to click Submit. And so this is the path that we really want the discussion boards to be saving the discussion boards. So I'll click Submit. It looks like this board is graded. And I'm going to go back to the Unit 1A discussion board. And I'm going to save that one in the same place because for some reason it looks like it's saved within another folder of MK225. Looks like it's being saved in this folder for some reason. Oh, which is where you've been saving all of the unit stuff, which is good. I'm glad to see this in here. But what we'll do is we'll go here to MK225 and click Select Current Directory to save the discussion in there, and click Submit, and click Submit here. And then this is what you're going to want to do for all of these discussions. It's just making sure that they're saved into the library area of the content collection. So I'll see once again how this is in the default. I'm going to just click Browse and make sure I select the MK225 that's under the business folder, and then select the current directory. And you can double check your path here, library, business, MK225, and click Submit, and then click Submit again. And then I won't do this for all of these, but what I want to show you here is if I leave your course and I come over here to the content collection and I click on library and I click on business and then on MK225, goodness, I wonder why those aren't showing up in here.